Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best socket wrench set you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best socket wrench set in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT DWMT81535 Mechanics Tool Set. If you're looking for a best socket wrench set, then this set is complete package for you. It has a very good, solid, well-built case that should last a lot longer than other wrench socket set. The case is made with a premium composite plastic material that looks and feels durable. The hinges and latches are well made and should last a long time. All of the tools are made professionally and nothing seems like it was poorly engineered. All of the sockets, wrenches, and ratchets are well built. Lifetime guarantee with free replacement, which is a perk. This 247-piece mechanics tool set includes ratchets and sockets, a bit driver with specialty and nut bits, combination wrenches, and hex keys to handle most jobs under the hood or elsewhere. A durable case featuring metal latches of the tool sets for mechanics provides organization and easy storage for travel. The 72 tooth count ratchets are built for efficiency with a quick release button to easily attach and remove sockets. Our second best socket wrench set is DEWALT DWMT75049 Mechanics Tool Set. These are heavy-duty tools. They'll last forever and have a lifetime guarantee. This set covers it all when it comes to sockets and wrenches. You will not need to supplement this kit with much when it comes to sockets. I am constantly working on motorcycles in my truck. There are only a few sockets that this kit doesn't have that you will need to buy separately, but that is expected. With the 192-piece mechanics tool set, you can be sure you have the right tool for the job. The tool sets for mechanics include 3 pair head ratchets and a variety of sockets, extensions, universal joints and adapters. The sockets include direct torque technology to help prevent rounding of fasteners and to provide better grip for the tools for men. Let's learn more about DEWALT mechanical tools.
Introducing DEWALT's tough new mechanics tools for automotive and professional applications. DEWALT has expanded durability into a new line of innovative mechanics tools, including ratchets, sockets, and wrenches. Built for long life, these tools are ideal for uses in automotive, professional, plumbing, farm applications, and more. The heavy-duty ratchets with slim head design feature a 72-tooth gear system and 5-degree actuation angle for accessibility and high-torque ratcheting. The anti-slip grooves on the handle ensure maximum control, and the low-profile directional lever helps to reduce catch points. Available in a range of SAE and metric sizes, DEWALT sockets feature deep laser-etched markings for easy identification and high visibility. Combined with an anti-slip cross-etched beauty ring, these sockets offer easy removal and handling. DEWALT's combination wrenches, also available with reverse ratcheting technology, count a patented anti-slip design of the open-end jaw that locks the wrench on the fastener to help prevent slippage that results in scraped knuckles. Engineered with high-quality steel and long panel forging, users will enjoy extra leverage and increased torque. DEWALT mechanics tools are also available in complete sets and are backed by a full lifetime warranty. DEWALT mechanics tools.
Number 4 in our side is Craftsman CMMT 99448 Mechanics Tools Kit. This has been a great, comprehensive set of basic tools. You could get this as a starter set for someone who needs to jump from zero tools to a solid set quickly, or if you need a reliable set to supplement an older set that has been cut down by your kids borrowing and misplacing key pieces. I love the case that everything comes in, and the quality of both the tools and the case is exactly what I'd expect from a Craftsman set such as this. This mixed tool set includes tools for various situations stored in an easy-to-carry and durable blow-molded case. Slip joint, groove joint, and long-nose pliers come with the socket tool kit for increased access in various situations. Fiberglass hammer for increased comfort and decreased fatigue. Bi-material screwdrivers for increased comfort and decreased fatigue. Full polish finish with large markings for corrosion resistance and easy identification. Durable blow-molded case is mobile and easy to store. Full lifetime warranty with hassle-free replacement. Third pick in our list is Sunex 3351 Impact Socket Set. I had a set of big Sunex sockets, did a great job for a long time. The selection is just what you want, 5x16 and 8mm through 3x4 and 19mm, deep and short. The 3-inch extension and swivel is a bonus. The swivel works well, the most important thing it can do. The Sunex 3351 3x8-inch drive impact socket set includes metric sizes from 7mm to 22mm in standard, deep, and universal lengths. This set includes a universal joint, a 3-inch impact extension, and a 1/4-inch bit holder socket. Each socket has been forged from high-grade CRMO steel, designed with radius corners, made with chamfered openings, and marked by both laser etching and roll stamping to ensure permanent socket identification. All of this ensures our socket's professional level performance, conveniently stored in one heavy-duty storage case. Last in our best socket wrench set list is Crescent Ctk170 CP2 General Purpose Tool Set. A good set of decent quality tools. Should have everything you need to tackle most mild to moderate repair jobs on a vehicle, lawnmower, etc. These are really great tools for the money. I keep them in my truck for those improvisational roadside repairs. The ratchets are very fine tooth and the sockets are slim wall and useful. Crescent's 170-piece mechanics tool set contains a carefully selected assortment of Crescent brand hand tools needed for most industrial, mechanical, and consumer applications. The set includes 1x4-inch, 3x8-inch, and 1x2-inch quick-release ratcheting drives with a wide selection of standard and deep sockets in the most common SAE and metric sizes. There are 12 SAE and metric combination wrenches, 2 pliers, 8-inch adjustable wrench, 4 screwdrivers, a magnetic bit driver with 44 driver bits, and 26 SAE and metric hex keys. All tools in this industrial quality tool set meet stringent new ANSI and ASME specifications and come with a full satisfaction guarantee.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!